What is research? By Joel Rosel. BSIT2B. According to the American sociologist Earl Robert Babby, research is a systematic inquiry to describe, explain, predict, and control the observed phenomenon. Research involves inductive and deductive methods. Inductive research methods are used to analyze an observed event. Deductive methods are used to verify the observed event. Research is conducted with a purpose to understand. What do organizations or businesses really want to find out? What are the processes that need to be followed to chase the idea? What are the arguments that need to be built around a concept? What is the evidence that will be required for people to believe in the idea or concept? Characteristics of research. A systematic approach must be followed for accurate data. Rules and procedures are an integral part of the process that set the objective. Researchers need to practice ethics and a code of conduct while making observations or drawing conclusions. Research is based on logical reasoning and involves both inductive and deductive methods. The data or knowledge that is derived is in real time from actual observations in natural settings. There is an in-depth analysis of all data collected so that there are no anomalies associated with it. Research creates a path for generating new questions. Existing data helps create more opportunities for research. Research is analytical in nature. It makes use of all the available data so that there is no ambiguity in inference. Accuracy is one of the most important aspects of research. The information that is obtained should be accurate and true to its nature. What are the types of research? Basic research. A basic research definition is data collected to enhance knowledge. The main motivation is knowledge expansion. It is a non-commercial research that doesn't facilitate in creating or inventing anything. Applied research. Applied research focuses on analyzing and solving real-life problems. This type refers to the study that helps solve practical problems using scientific methods. Problem-oriented research. As the name suggests, problem-oriented research is conducted to understand the exact nature of a problem to find out relevant solutions. The term problem refers to multiple choices or issues when analyzing a situation for problem-solving research. This type of research is conducted by companies to understand and resolve their own problems. The problem-solving method uses applied research to find solutions to the existing problems. 5. Qualitative research. Process that is about inquiry. It helps create in-depth understanding of problems or issues in their natural settings. The following are the methods used for qualitative research: one-to-one interview, focus groups, ethnographic research, content/text analysis, case study research. 5. Quantitative research. Qualitative research is a structured way of collecting data and analyzing it to draw conclusions. Quantitative research involves a larger population. More people means more data. With more data to analyze, you can obtain more accurate results. What is the purpose of the research? There are 3 purposes of research. Exploratory. As the name suggests, exploratory research is conducted to explore a group of questions. The answers and analytics may not offer a final conclusion to the perceived problem. Descriptive. Descriptive research focuses on expanding knowledge on current issues through a process of data collection. Explanatory. Explanatory research or causal research is conducted to understand the impact of certain changes in existing standard procedures. What is research method? Research method is defined as the tools or instruments used to accomplish the goals and attributes of a study. Think of the methodology as a systematic process in which the tools or instruments will be employed. Types of research methods and research example. Types of qualitative methods include one-to-one interview. This interview is conducted with one participant at a given point in time. One-to-one interviews need a researcher to prepare questions in advance. The researcher asks only the most important questions to the participant. Focus groups. Focus groups are small groups comprising of around 6 to 10 participants who are usually experts in the subject matter. A moderator is assigned to a focus group who facilitates the discussion amongst the group members. Ethnographic research. Ethnographic research is an in-depth form of research where people are observed in their natural environment. Without this method is demanding due to the necessity of a researcher entering a natural environment of other people. Text analysis. Text analysis is a little different from other qualitative methods, as it is used to analyze social constructs by decoding words through any available form of documentation. Case study. Case study research is used to study an organization or an entity. Quantitative research methods. Quantitative methods deal with numbers and measurable forms. It uses a systematic way of investigating events or data. It is used to answer questions in terms of justifying relationships with measurable variables to either explain, predict, or control a phenomenon. There are 3 methods that are often used by researchers. Survey research. The ultimate goal of survey research is to learn about a large population by deploying a survey. Descriptive research. Descriptive research is a method which identifies the characteristics of an observed phenomenon and collects more information. Correlational research. Correlational research examines the relationship between 2 or more variables. Identifying research methodology. To choose the appropriate types of research, you need to clearly identify the objectives. Some objectives to take into consideration for your business include: find out the needs of your clients, know their preferences and understand what is important to them, find an appropriate way to make your customers aware of your products and services, find a way to improve your products or services to suit the needs of your customers. Set your goals. Consider the client's objectives and define those that identify with yours. Make sure that you set SMART goals and objectives. Do not presume the results of your surveys. Plan your research. Good planning allows the use of creative and logical approaches to select the methods that gather the most accurate information. Collect and collate your results. Make a list of how you are going to carry out the research process, the data you need to collect, and collection methods. This will help you keep track of your processes and make sense of your findings. It will also allow you to verify that your research accurately reflects the opinions of your clients and your market. Create a record table with the consumer research activity, the necessary data, the methods for data collection, the steps to follow for data analysis. It is important to obtain information about how the collection of customer information was carried out, and to ensure that your data is valid, founded, logical, rigorous, and impartial. Accurate, free of errors and including required details. Reliable, that can be reproduced by other people who investigate in the same way. Timely, current and collected within an appropriate time frame. Complete, includes all the data you need to support your business decisions. Analyze and understand. Your research. Analysis of the data can vary from simple and direct steps to technical and complex processes. Keep the findings ready. Choose a spreadsheet that allows you to easily enter your data. Review and interpret the information to draw conclusions. Once you have gathered all the data, you can scan your information and interpret it to draw conclusions and make informed decisions. You should review the data and then identify the main trends and issues, opportunities, and problems you observe. Write a sentence describing each one. Keep track of the frequency with which each of the main findings appears. Make a list of your findings from the most common to the least common. Evaluate a list of the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats that have been identified in a SWOT analysis. Prepare conclusions and recommendations about your research. Thank you.